SeattleBoatDetailing.com. Alright, in today's video we're just going to have a little tutorial on vinyl and leather cleaning. Now this is boat vinyl, so definitely not leather. It's a little bit more durable, it's made to be outside and all that. But you're thinking to yourself, wow, that looks amazing. How did he do that? Well, that's what this video is about. How you can do this yourself or pay a professional to do it for you and hopefully do it right. Now, that's not to say there are not other ways to do this, but I've seen other videos here on YouTube where people talk about using some pretty heavy cleaning agents on vinyl and leather that I would say you might want to think twice about. Wait, what the? What did I just put on that magic eraser? Huh. Was that water? Let's look at that again. So you can safely clean vinyl in a boat that looks pretty grimy and dirty with just water and a magic eraser? Yep, that's exactly what I'm saying, folks. So, in my experience of 26 years of doing this, this is one of the better ways to clean vinyl that's grimy and just kind of, overdue for cleaning. Now, in some circumstances, you're going to have to use some chemical, but in most cases, a nice Mr. Clean magic eraser and a little bit of water, soaking wet, not dry, but soaking wet magic eraser, you can do some pretty amazing cleaning. Now, the way we do it is, this is the first step, so everything gets cleaned with the Mr. Clean magic eraser, and then we go back through with a UV protectant and apply that to the vinyl so that it's looking, glossy, relatively shiny, but dry to the touch, and also is left with some UV protection so that the vinyl doesn't get damaged out in the sun. So if you want to see the entire boat that was done in a speeded up format, go ahead and please just continue to watch the rest of the video. If you are impatient and you want to just see the finished results, you can always skip to the end. But of course, we're trying to build our channel, and watch time, all that stuff matters. So hopefully you'll watch to the end, and if not, at least get some good tips for how to do it yourself. Either way, be sure to check out some of our other videos. Of course, like and subscribe if you want to see more. And be sure to make any comments. Try to answer them all. Peace. This is that kind of plasticky cutting board like material that some boats have as either little gateway doors or, in this case, little countertops. Magic erasers work really well on that as well.